Here is a 2020 Peerless 16 wheel hydraulic removable gooseneck low bed trailer, auxiliary hydraulics, hookup for hydraulics on your truck. It's also got a electric start, Honda power pack, nice easy access to the engine here. Flip over neck extension for Jeep. Beaver tail, 32-foot well, and I believe it's 10.6 or 11 wide. I will confirm that. It'll be in the specs. Locking beam suspension, grease banks. There is a hub seal. Other side. A lot of mileage on it. Nice camper. Stove wheeler trailer. Can accommodate a booster and a Jeep. Make it into a 40-wheeler. Swing out wide load lights. Hydraulic arm. .6 or 11 wide. I will confirm that. It'll be in the specs. Locking beam suspension, grease banks.